Hello friends, welcome to Technical Pathshala. In this video, we will learn about the business process automation and how to create workflows using Process Builder in Salesforce. So workflows are used to automate the actions according to your business processes. So we will learn about these concepts with a very simple requirement. So in nicknames, so a contact can have multiple nicknames. Like in our application, John Smith has four nicknames and this Kumar John has only one nickname. So we will create a workflow that will update the alias of a record that is created or edited if nickname is tacky to all the nicknames of that contact. So let us do this. Go to setup. In process automation, click on process builder. Create a new process. Provide the process name, alias name copy. You can provide description also. The process starts when a record changes. So this workflow will get executed whenever a record is getting changed. Save this. So this is our process builder. So add object. To find an object, select nickname as an object. You can provide the criteria that start the process only when a record is created, when a record is created or edited. So according to our requirement, we will select when a record is created or edited. So whenever our nickname record is getting created or edited, this workflow will get executed. Save this. Add criteria. Criteria name, tag key nickname. So this criteria is just like this, that if this criteria is true, then this action will get executed. So add condition. So find a field. So select nickname, choose equals. You can select different operators here, but for our requirement, if nickname is like 20, then we are going to copy the alias of that record in all the nicknames of that contact. So you can add multiple conditions and you can select the logical operator between that conditions. Save this. So in action, add action. So you can select these types of action like create a record, email alerts, flows, post to chatter, processes, quick actions. quiz, send custom notification, update records. So according to our requirement, we are going to update all nicknames of that contact. So select update record, provide the action name. So give it a valid name, record type. So according to our requirement, we are going to update all the nickname records of that contact. So select a record related to the nickname. So in this list, you can select like this contact object, and then you can select related list of that contact. Nickname, choose this. So you can select the criteria also, but according to our requirement, we are going to select no criteria, just update the record. So find a field to update. So we are going to update alias of all nicknames with the alias of that techie record. So select field reference. So find a field, select alias here and save this. Now our workflow is completed. Now activate this, activate version. So Salesforce is controlling workflows using version controlling. So you can deactivate a version, you can create new versions of that workflow. Now our this workflow is completed and I have activated this also. Now test this in our application. Navigate to nicknames tab, select all views. So here you can see currently no nicknames have any alias. So first update this nickname record that has nickname as Nick. Save this and refresh this view. Now you can see no other nicknames have been updated. So now try to update this nickname that has nickname as Techie. So provide nickname as Henry. Save this, refresh the view. Now you can see that all nickname records of this John Smith have been updated with the alias Henry. Now we will see whenever we create a new record, give it nickname as Becky, and this time search contact as Kumar John and provide alias as Smith. Save this. Go to that view again. Now you can see that all nickname record of this Kumar John also have been updated with alias as Smith. Now we will learn how to revise a workflow process in Salesforce. So go to setup again. In process automation, select process builder. So in this alias nickname copy, this is our process. So now you can see only one version is here, that is alias name copy, and that is active also. Click on this. And to create a new version, you can clone this and save clone as version of current process. So save this. Now a new version has been created. Now we will update this section in this version. Now suppose we don't want to update all records, we want to update only some records according to a criteria. So select this. So update no records that meet all conditions. Select a condition. So in condition, select nickname. So now we are going to make this process as that we will not update all nickname records of that contact. We will update the records of nicknames that has nickname equal to Smith. So save this and activate this version. So now you can see that in workflow process, this alias name copy, there are two versions, version 1 and version 2, and version 2 is active and version 1 is inactive. Now we will test our modified or new version. Go to our application test. Navigate to nicknames tab. Now our requirement is that our workflow will update nicknames that has nickname as Smith. So now update this nickname as Smith so that we can test and refresh this. Now all nicknames of this contact John Smith has alias as Henry. Now I am going to update this Techie nickname with value as Appy. Save this and refresh the view. Now you can see whenever I have updated this Techie nickname with alias as Appy, only nickname that has nickname as Smith has been updated with the same alias Appy. Other nicknames of this contact has previous value Henry only. So we have learned about version controlling of workflows and how to create workflows using process builder. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.